Let's go ahead and set up an email signature inside of Dynamics 365. Now, this would apply to really any of the customer engagement or CRM applications, whether that's sales, customer service, field service, or marketing. We're going to show what that might look like. So as I crack open my demo environment here, the first thing you want to do is navigate to the correct area in your sitemap. So down in the bottom left here where I've got sales selected, I'm going to go ahead and hit that drop down and go into my personal settings. That's going to update my sitemap with some new selections here. And if I come into email signatures, you may or may not have an existing email signature available to you. However, in this demo, we're going to go through and just select plus new and create a new one. So I'm going to say Jesse's email signature. We want to go ahead and make this our default one. You don't have to, certainly, but I'm going to make this a default one. So down below here, then we can go through and start editing our signature that we want to load for future emails sent out of Dynamics. Now, if you wanted to, you could certainly copy this. If you've got a good email signature in Outlook, you go ahead and copy that right over, which is what I'm going to do. So I like to leave a space in front of mine. We'll go ahead and add some additional text here. And once we're ready, we can save and close this, and we're done. Now future emails are going to have this loaded as my default signature. So if I come back, selecting home to get back to my main screen here, if I come into activities, and we'll just go in and select email. Now down below here, I've got the ability to go in and you can see it by default, it has loaded that signature in here for me. So I could insert a different signature if I had several loaded in there, but by default, because that's my default signature in there, it's going to preload for me. So quick short video showing you how to create your own email signature inside Dynamics 365. Hopefully this helped you out today. Have a good rest of your day.